Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Taytana Ubalde Balken. I'm 34 years old, married, have a 6 children, 3 boys and 3 girls. I'm high school graduate in Aguian National High School. When I finished my study in high school, I work in Manila. I take care to adults, 1 children. My main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, washing, cooking, and go to market. And I also I bring here in school the children. I also my experience, ma'am. I work in Hong Kong year 2018 to 2019. My employer is Mr. Pang Yu Wong. I take care to adults, 2 children and 2 dogs and car washing. My main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and go to market. I also the children I bring here in school. Ma'am and sir, but cannot finish my contract because of pandemic. My employers go to Vietnam for vacation, and also me, I return to Philippines for vacation also. But for how many years the pandemic, I cannot have the chance to back to Hong Kong. So I try again to another employer year 2022. I work again in Hong Kong. I take care to adults, 1 baby, 1 children, grandma, grandpa, and 1 popo. My main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and go to market also. Ma'am, but cannot finish again my contract because I have always 2 house to clean every day. I'm always tired. The house of my employer in the Luhas Park and the house of my grandma and grandpa in the Polam. I sleep in the Polam, the house of grandma and grandpa. And then every morning I wake up, I prepared breakfast the popo and grandma and grandpa, and then I washing, ironing, after the cleaning the house. After that all, I go to Luhas Park in the house of my employer to take care the children and the baby, and then I clean the house. I washing the clothes and cooking again. After that all, I return to Polam again, the house of grandma and grandpa, for sleep in the night. And then before me sleep in the night, I clean the house again and I take care the popo. So I will decide, ma'am and sir, I break my contract because my employer is cannot follow my send contract. I have always 2 house to clean every day. I'm always tired. My rest day is cannot enough for me. I'm always tired my body. So I will decide to break my contract. But ma'am and sir, I'm honest, I'm hardworking, and I'm loyal. So if you choose me, I promise I will do my duties, and I will do my duties to my work, and I finish my contract. So hope, ma'am, sir, I hope, madam and sir, see you soon, and thank you for watching and understanding my video. God bless you, ma'am and sir.